The Noctua NF A4x10 FLX is a small, high-quality 40 by 10 mm cooling fan targeted at niche cooling needs, small enclosures, 3D printers, NAS boxes, routers, DVRs, etc. The Amazon product page shows the technical specs: 12V, 4500/3700 RPM selectable via low noise adapter, max noise 17.9 dB, anti-vibration mounts and SSO2 bearing with greater than 150,000 HMTTF, and Noctua's usual engineering notes: flow acceleration channels, AAO frame, smooth commutation motor technology. The listing is marked Amazon's choice in many markets and the fan has strong customer ratings. Example captured rating on the page is around 4.7 out of 5, but prices fluctuate across sellers, so verify the current price before publishing. This fan stands out because of engineering details you usually see on larger premium fans: advanced acoustic optimization for very low noise, a well-engineered bearing system for longevity, and a small form factor that still delivers a respectable airflow, useful for constrained spaces like small electronics or compact cases. Noctua bundles anti-vibration mounts, a low-noise adapter to reduce RPM and noise, and various connectors/adapters for compatibility with odd fan headers, a very thoughtful kit for people installing fans in atypical devices. Customer reviews emphasize quiet operation, reliability, and how effective the fan is in small enclosures where a typical cheap fan would be noisy or fail sooner. Pros: extremely quiet for its size, high build quality and long MTBF, accessories included. Cons: Noctua's brown/beige color scheme can be polarizing for modders who want a different aesthetic, though Noctua does offer alternative color options/additions in some cases. For tech reviewers, this fan makes an easy demo: show noise difference with/without the LNA, show the included adapters, and highlight its longevity guarantee. We share by links in description box.